Vega Bond V600 Insulation Kit. Quick cure foam that yields 600 board feet. Wear complete protective gear. Unscrew the cap. Canisters should be at least 70° Fahrenheit or higher to get the best yield. Securely connect the hose to the tanks. Tighten the hose. Apply petroleum jelly on the spray gun's face. Insert spray nozzle into the gun. Shake the canisters for at least 60 seconds. Turn on the valves. Start spraying evenly by squeezing the trigger. Do not use open flames or blowtorch to warm the tanks. Seals out air leaks. Protects against dust, air infiltration, and sound. Embrace the chill. Embrace the warmth. V600 Insulation Foam, your comfort zone.